Morning everyone. Something people never really tell us about growth and moving forward and making progress in life is it can be super exciting, but there's also times where it can become quite lonely and confusing, and I'm quickly going to share with you why that tends to happen. So if we move forward towards a goal or an end destination, sometimes we find ourselves in a place called middle ground. Middle ground means we're no longer where we used to be, but we also haven't arrived at that end destination. And what tends to typically happen during that time is we become confused and we start doubting that we're actually on the right path. Second thing that happens is, because goal-orientated people are very disciplined, right? It can become quite boring. And because there's a boring element to it, people tend to start worrying that, well, this feels quite boring, so is this still what I'm supposed to do? And thirdly, one of the main reasons why people quit and stop moving forward during this phase is not because they're failing, but they feel they're not moving forward fast enough, right? So if you're finding yourself in any of those three areas at the moment, it probably means that you're in this middle ground area. Okay, and there's a few things that we can do to make sure that we don't get stuck in that phase. The first thing is, guys, we want to surround ourselves with like-minded people that places an immense amount of value on growth and progress, and a mindset that continuously moves forward towards the things that are important to us. Second thing you want to do is you want to create a structure, a daily structure around the habits that you need to form, so that your forward progress starts feeling natural and it almost becomes a habit. So you're not thinking about it, it's just a daily routine of moving forward. And then the third thing that you can do is you can bring someone in and be accountable about that structure and that habits that you are forming that's constantly moving you forward towards that goal and that end destination where you're going. So guys, what I wanted to share is, if you're finding yourself in that middle ground at the moment, I want you to drop the word middle ground in the comments, and I'll share a tool that we use free of charge, that we use in our own team and with our coaching clients to keep going through this middle ground phase. I hope you have an awesome day, and we'll chat to you soon.